In this photo collage, we're going to make a portrait, and then we'll adjust the colors so everything looks more realistic. I'm going to make my photo collage with these two images. Start Photoshop Mix and tap the plus on the left. Tap Image, and then tap the model. Tap Cutout, and then tap Auto to remove the background. Then tap the check. On the main screen, tap the plus, tap Image, and choose the flowers. Tap Cutout, tap Auto to remove the background of the flowers. Then tap the check to go back to the main screen. Tap and hold on the flower layer to see the properties. Tap Duplicate to make another copy. Tap and hold on this layer and make another duplicate. You now have 3 flowers. Double tap on the top one and the second one to turn off the visibility. Then tap and hold on the third flower layer to open the properties and flip it. Move that layer below the model and resize it to position it nicely on the side of her face. Double tap to turn the visibility on the top layer and adjust the position to frame the other side of her face. Then double tap or tap and hold to turn the visibility on for the last layer of flowers. I'll make these a little smaller and move them up higher. Tap the plus to make a new layer. Choose Color and choose a light purple color. This will cover your image. Tap and hold and choose Duplicate to make another copy of this layer. Move one of them to the bottom of the layer stack. Now choose the top color layer, double tap it to turn it off, and we can see the model on the purple background. Double tap the top layer to turn the visibility back on. Then tap and hold to open the properties, and tap Blend Mode. Scroll down and tap Color. This will put this color over the entire picture, but let you see the picture. Now tap and hold. Move the opacity slider to the left so that there's just a hint of the color to make the model blend in more with her new surroundings.